Hello guys, Shazad again from SEIL UK Limited. Today I want to show you logic control for elevator. This is I make for you fourth floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you see P1, P2, P3, P4. This is called like push button 1, push button 2, push button 3 and 4. This is logic stop relay. This is traction relay T1, T2, up or down. This relay put it up relay, down relay, fast, slow relay. This is timer, like how long the motor start. This is control relay. When this timer is on, they on this relay. Then this relay when on, they on go to via T1, T2 current, and then go to give power to the up or down, depend motor which direction the call come. So this is up relay, this is down relay. So let me show you how it work. Let me see if the lift on ground floor, this lever should be closed, and this relay has to be like this. Okay, this is off position. Lift is on ground floor. When somebody press the, for example, number ground floor push button, there nothing happened because this relay is on, with lift is on ground floor. If somebody press number, like somebody press number 2, like first floor, so call coming from first floor, second floor, third floor. Okay, that time I start, then up relay is on, then motor start. When I go up, motor start, limit switch is going up because lift going up. When I come this point, then this should be off. That time I start, yeah, then it's motor start again, then going up again. When I go up for second floor, then should be off. When I coming on fourth floor, then everything is off. Yeah. Okay, the lift is on fourth floor. Then what if I press number 4, for example, then push button no working because lift on number 4. Yeah. So now somebody call 3, 2 and 1. Now this day should be on. Okay, so this day is go down relay. Yeah, because now I'm gonna press number 3, 2, 1. Now this relay should be on. Okay, but this is going down. Yeah, so when going down, when come this point, untick. When come this area, like this floor, then this is T2 still is on because 3 calls coming. Yeah, so now this should be off. Yeah, and this is on, and also motor stop. Motor stop on, timer start. Now motor start again. When I coming first floor, then this should be on. Then motor stop. Motor stop, door open, timer start. Then motor start again. When I coming ground floor, then should be off. Now is motor on ground floor. Yeah, somebody call number like 4. P4 is on, going up, this should be on, timer off, relay control on. Now coming on first floor, nothing happen. Lift going on number 3, nothing happen. When coming on number 4, should be off. Yeah. okay, let me somebody press the call number first floor, for example, then should be this P2 should be on. Sorry, I need to call. So press number 2. This is on. I think relay is something not right. Let me change the relay. Okay. Now number 2. Going down. On. Coming this number 3. Nothing happened. When number coming 2, that should be off. Okay. So your lift is on first floor. We want to go number 4 again. Okay. So what I do? I need to go number 4 and press number 4 before registered. Now it should be up. Then third floor. I think